Sweet potato pudding. Guys, come let me show you how I made this delicious sweet potato pudding. The first thing you want to do is grab two large size potato. And when you're choosing potato, guys, make sure you choose the white looking one. You don't want to choose that orange color potato. You're gonna peel these and you're gonna wash them and set those aside. I'm also adding about a pound and a half of yellow yam. We're doing the same thing with the yam. We're going to peel it, cut it up, wash it, and set it aside. After the yam, we're going to prepare some coconut milk. I did purchase two large coconut and I ox them, blend them, juice them to get about 6 cups of coconut milk. Then I add about a cup of sugar to it, some vanilla, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and don't forget a pinch of salt, and combine the ingredients together. After I went ahead and greased my Dutch pot and light the oven at 350 degrees. I use the same milk that I just blended earlier to blend some of the potato. I did this in 2 batches. So after I did one, I blend it and I use the lowest speed on my blender and blend it as fine as I could. Pour it out and went ahead and blend the other set. And this one was a little thicker because I used less milk. There was a piece of potato. I just removed that. Add about half stick of salted butter. I did went ahead and sieve a cup of flour, and I also went in with some refined cornmeal, half cup to be exact, of refined cornmeal. Now we're gonna combine all the ingredients together. And guys, if it's too thick, add some of that coconut milk to the mixture. If you like raisin, you can flour your raisin, add a few to the bottom, a few to the butter, and pour it in your Dutch pot. The pudding won't rise, so you have to put the amount of pudding that you want in the pot. Go ahead, add it to the oven and close the oven. And I did went in about an hour and a half after to check on the pudding, and it was set. So I went ahead and add some of the remaining coconut mixture on the top of it, place it back into the oven, and allow it to bake for another 15-20 minutes. So if you want the top to have that soft mushy look to it, you have to leave some of the coconut mixture. I forgot to say that earlier. Put it back in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and voila, this is what you're gonna get. So it is that easy. So guys, go ahead and try. If you still need more help, there's recipe in my cookbook for sweet potato pudding.